Hey there, Leos. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your July month reading regarding your money, career, and finances. And it will be a general reading. If may resonate you or may not, please take what resonates you and leave the rest. So start your reading. What are the messages for Leos regarding their money, career, and finances? What are the messages for Leos regarding their money, career, and finances? First message is Six of Wands. The Death, Two of Swords, Ace of Cups. Underneath the deck you are having Ten of Wands. So definitely you are in a some kind of responsibility. So start your reading, Leos. You are having some kind of responsibility this time in the month of July, or maybe you are starting some new responsibilities over your shoulder. uh, Maybe you are having some position, you are getting some position here, because here Six of Wand also here, so you are getting recognition in the authoritative figure's eyes. Your authoritative figure are like that, they want their work perfect, and you are the one who is doing the work according to their desires. So this is the that's why they are giving you some more responsibilities. They recognize your talent, they have recognized your talent, and they are giving you some kind of responsibility here. So and it's a big responsibility you are having this time. So or you are going through some big transformation in your work scenario. If you are doing job, and or if you are doing business, whatever work you are doing right now, you are going through some big transformation here. So maybe your authoritative figure recognize some talent in you, and your other ability to do work in a different way or in an effective way. So they are offering you some a position, some big position, so which is good thing for you, because you are earning something in your workplace which is not serving you right now. It's like that the old job, old work uh, is enough for you. You have to learn something new. So what you have learned for before, which is important for you in your previous time, now you have learned that things, and now you have to end this process and start something new learning process in your workplace. So you are starting some new learning process, like you are getting some new recognition in your or new position in your workplace or in your business or whatever you are doing. So it's a big transformation for you, but you are indecisive in some somewhere you are indecisive also, because it's a big decision to have in this week time, in this week time, or in a month of July. Sorry, it's a July reading. So in a July month, it's very indecisive situation, that you should get this position or not, or you should get this responsibility or not. But if you take this decision, if you are make yourself ready to take this position, to take this responsibilities over your shoulder, this will be a new beginning emotionally also, or it will be a desired position. It will become a desired position, or you will get more desired position for yourself in your workplace or in your uh, business maybe. So it will be a new emotional beginning also for you in your workplace, because people are liking you, recognizing your work, your authoritative figure are liking you, and they are building some connection, some emotional connection with you. It will not only a work situation, like it will be a, connection you are building with your authoritative figure, that you are you are having the same dedication as authoritative figure having for their work also. If it's a job position, if you are in a job, so you are very much dedicated to your work. You are doing with your heart, you are doing this work from your bottom of the heart. So it's like that. That's why you are getting this kind of recognition and this kind of position and responsibilities there. Or it's like that, if you are not doing any business or any job before, you are getting a job in the month of July, which is your liking, and for the long time you wanted this kind of job or this kind of work for yourself. So you are getting this position with your heart, or you are taking this work position or whatever it is by your heart. So that's why you are very much willing to do this, willing to do this effort, willing to do this work for in this workplace or in this business. So but somewhere you are very much indecisive, because it's a lot of responsibility, because there is a lot of responsibility and it's a big responsibilities on your shoulder. So this is the work you did not done before, or it's a new kind of work, new kind of job. So that's why you are indecisive to take this or not. But when you take this, you will get more recognition in workplace, and more rewards in your workplace or in your environment. So Leos, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.